embroidery friends. For those that don't know me, my name is Cristin. I do lots of tutorials for embroidery projects, and I'm starting a new project this coming week, and it's called Merry Christmas Bench Pillow. If you haven't done a bench pillow before, this would be really fun. You can get the design from Wish Upon a Quilt, and they also have a package for all of the fabrics and a thread kit and everything that you need. So if you want to join me on this adventure, I am going to do one challenge every day, and I will post a video tutorial and you can play along and have fun with this. I'm pretty excited about it. So let's get playing. Also, Wish Upon a Quilt has created a code for anyone that's going to join in this group project with me. You can put in on your order the code CristinMC, and I'll put that in the tutorial in this first video. And if you add that onto the comments of your order, then they're going to send you a free little something in your delivery. So anyway, wishuponaquilt.com, and I'll get all the information in the video.